is it's amazing. Absolutely gets a Scott smash pass. I mean, this is awesome. This thing is gonna make any kid's day, any teen's day, and hey, probably even any adult's day, because it's a lot of fun. Wow, that shot flawlessly. So guys, to give you a little idea of the size, when you have the AK stock, the sniper stock, you got all this stuff. This is pretty awesome, guys. I mean, this is really cool. So wow, that shot flawlessly. Remember to press the button to take your cartridge out. That was amazing. And we just, you know, it's automatic, but you could just tap the trigger. So you could shoot, you know, one at a time, three at a time by tapping the trigger. That's awesome, guys. Wow. So you guys can go through a lot. We're just doing the small cartridges right now. Remember to put it in correctly. But, you know, I just wanted to show you guys, see if we can drop this down in slow motion. Wow, that shoots fast. So let's see. If you guys can see that garage out there, we can easily hit that without any problem. So with enough aiming, you guys can hit way out there. So we're talking that's far, guys. That's really far. My final thoughts on this, guys, is it's amazing. Absolutely gets a Scott smash pass. I mean, this is awesome. This thing is gonna make any kid's day, any teen's day, and hey, probably even any adult's day, because it's a lot of fun. The setup that you can do with this, the extensions and everything, you're gonna love this.